Can you can you open your video, please? Can you hear my voice well, or
Sir, I'm on a hotspot, so it will be laggy.
today's lesson is about Excel iteration, okay? But I don't have really slide about this. It's a little bit difficult to create a slide, but I can demonstrate to you. There are a lot of things that we can do using Excel iteration. Okay, so what is Excel iteration anyway? So Excel iteration is an iteration in Excel that's supposed to mimic a programming, okay, so a loop. For example, in Python, you have a for each loop, right? Or while loop. So this is exactly similar to that. So let us start with a simple example. Okay. This is the example that you are supposed to do as your informal assignment. If you notice the last part of our lesson last meeting, I asked you to do this. Okay. Let me share my screen. So first you create a control cell. Okay, so you just type control and then you put stop here. And then you create a counter cell. Okay, and you name it counter, right? And you name this control. Okay. After that, in the counter cell, you say if control is empty, then counter +1, otherwise 0. Okay. And then here we create a random number. Okay. So say the random number is random between 1 to 100. And then what I want you to do is, okay, this. If I remove the stop, okay, Excel will record that random number there in that table. Okay. And then, see, 78. So this is the second number, right? So I will record that 78. And so on. Okay. So the question is, can you do that? How are you going to do that? What is the function that you will put in B9 and so on, okay, in column P, so that you can record this? Any idea? Did you try in the house? Okay, Pancha, so. Yeah, if possible, you open your video. Why? Why you need to open your video during the class? That's the point, right? So when you open the video, I can see you. So even if you don't say anything, just your mimic in the face, I can understand you, right? That is a feedback system. Without that, we have no communication at all. Right? So, is it possible? Did you make it? Okay. So here it is. You can try
Yes,
it.
I
Yeah.
do it
Okay.
now, sir.
Okay. You share your screen then. I'll stop my share.
Okay. So you do.
Okay.
What do we do? Oh,
That's the
this is
counter.
if.
If stop is empty, then me, oh,
Value if true, then
B3 plus 1.
B. Oh yeah, B3.
Plus 1. Okay. Otherwise, 0.
0.
Okay. And you need to set the iteration number to 1.
Oh here. Here.
So,
Oh, like this one.
in home or file.
Sorry, sir.
File. So you go to, yes,
Oh yeah. Wait.
actual iteration, calculation. 1.
1 maximum iteration.
1. Okay. And click OK. So what you will do there? So you can try first the counter, is it working or not? So you delete, okay, working, right? So
F9.
yeah, F9.
Yes.
Right. Okay, so now question is how you will record the data.
Hmm.
How are you going to record that data? Yeah, name it counter so that you will see. Okay.
Oh yeah. So
Counter. Okay. And name it yes. Name the control as control so that you can also see. Okay. So if control is empty,
oh yeah. If control
is empty, comma, yeah,
value
okay.
is
If,
this.
yes, if again,
If,
one more
yeah,
if.
and
If the counter is the same
is
as,
equal to. Oh, actually.
yes, then if the counter is the same as my left,
Then counter.
then random. Oh, you did
Okay.
not create the random yet.
Oh,
Okay.
so
Okay. Anyway, so let's do that first. Let's create the random number first.
oh we random it.
You can, but you will not see that. You will not be able to see what you record, right? If you type directly there.
Hmm.
Okay, you just put R. You just put R. Any variable.
Oh, sorry, sir.
You can put any name of the variable of random number. For example, you can put R underscore.
Oh,
Okay.
R underscore.
R underscore. Otherwise, what? If the counter is the same, otherwise me, B6.
B6.
Yes.
Oh yeah, B. Otherwise.
Me.
Oh me. Oh
Me
yeah.
in B6.
Yep. B6.
Right? Close parenthesis. Now, if counter is empty, then it is also empty.
Yeah. So.
If counter is not empty, that is empty, correct? Close it.
Okay.
Close the parenthesis. Okay, that's no problem. Incorrect. No, let's click OK. No problem. Just enter it.
It doesn't want to. It says starts with.
Oh,
Wait. Can you see the? Wait.
yeah, there is no name.
It says verify
Okay, you just
R underscore.
okay, pick it random between
Copy this
first.
first.
Okay. Random between first.
Between
Any up to you.
1.
1 to 1,000. And name it R underscore.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, starts with a letter underscore.
Why?
Doesn't include the space or character. Yes, that's correct.
Oh, did you name it? The random number?
Yes. The random number is R underscore. It's just random.
Okay.
Oh, it doesn't want to name now.
Okay. Go to the formula and then remove that.
Where is the formulas? Not data.
Right.
If I name.
Delete that. Okay. So random num is already there.
Yes.
So let's change the name of R square to become random num.
It doesn't want to do that.
Oh, that's
Still.
strange. Why? Verify that the name start with the letter. It's just name problem.
Wait.
Correct already.
Oh, maybe. No. Oh. The name is correct.
The name is
This
correct.
F control counter. This one. If counter is equal to A6.
If counter is equal to A6, correct. Oh, the counter is not active.
That's
Okay. The
yeah.
counter is not
The
active.
counter is not. Yeah. Okay. Now it works.
Now it's okay.
No. It's wait. What is wrong? And should I just leave it?
Enter.
Oh, okay. Now it works.
Mm.
And then we just drag it.
Yeah, you put control to stop first so that you can see that this is supposed to be empty.
Okay.
Okay. Now you drag it. And now you remove the control cell and press F9.
Yes.
Oh,
Now it works.
okay. So Joy, Vivi, can you make it? Ancha, can you
Mine works.
Oh, you also work. So next step, okay? So this is just the record of random number, right? What happens if you want to get not the record of the random number, but you want to get the minimum of that random number?
The minimum.
Yes. So every time you generate, okay, you check first whether it is a minimum or not. If it is minimum, record. Otherwise, don't record. So another column, another column. You get this is date. You can type this data. So in A5, you can type this is the data, or you can put it down a little bit. Okay, now here is the minimum. That's the challenge. How are you going to create minimum of random number? So you know that random number is between 1 to 100, right? That's a prior knowledge that you have, or 1,000, right? So that random number will not reach 10,000, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So use that knowledge.
Sir, do you mean the minimum of all the random numbers that have been generated, or
No,
the minimum?
no. All the random number that has been generated, but you don't use that cell of A and B. You use directly from the random number.
Oh, okay.
Why? Because that
Also,
is
if the number is small, we record if the number is smaller than the previous number, right?
very good, very good, very good, Joy. You can create algorithm already. Very excellent. Okay. So again, if control is empty, right, that's the basic. No? So if the control is empty, then do this. If not, don't do anything. Right. So if the control, you can go, if you want to type control, you go to B3. Okay.
Because the same thing.
Yes. If, what is
Uh,
the if?
yeah,
If me, yeah, if the random number generated is what?
oh, so
Smaller than,
it's only going to be one then, not
yeah. If,
many of this.
if
Oh, okay,
that
okay, now
random
okay.
number, if that random number generated is less than me,
Less than E.
me. Yeah,
Oh,
okay.
but not E1. E5, E6, E6.
Why don't you do this? You go to before this, you type the name in E5. So you don't need to generate 1, 2, 3 until 29 in D, in column D. Doesn't need, because you only need one cell.
Yeah, yeah, this is wrong.
Name it. In E5, you name it. So D, you can put min, okay? And E5, you name it min X. For example.
5. Do you mean E6, sir?
Oh, sorry, yeah, E6. In E6, you put min X or min R, whatever. Okay. So if the random number is less than min R, min X, okay, then what?
Random, and then if wrong,
If wrong, min X. Correct. Okay. Otherwise, this is the most important part.
0.
No. It will not
Oh.
work. You can try.
If the control not 0, then wait.
If control is not empty, that is the initial value that you need to put.
Oh, 0.
No, it's not 0. Why it's not 0?
Oh, because the minimum. Oh, it should be 1 because the run.
Oh, no. Minimum. Remember, when you put minimum, you compare a number.
Maximum, yeah, and then 1,000 or 999.
Should be larger than 1,000. So,
Yeah.
so you can put 10,000.
Oh, 10,000.
Yeah. You understand why? Right?
Yeah.
Because you need to put something that larger
Yes,
than the whole number. Okay, go. So you can type again in control in B2, you put stop.
Oh yeah.
That's how you, okay, that's 10,000, that's correct. And then now you remove. Just delete. Okay. So that is correct, right? The first random number is 270. So if this is 444 is higher, so it will not record. It will not record.
Okay.
There it will record.
171, yes.
Yes, exactly. Very good. So now you get again the maximum. Similar but maximum.
Oh.
Davey, Joy, can you also make it? And if you have problem, you tell me so that we can work together. The same technique, huh? So you know how to calculate the maximum and the minimum, and how you know how to create the data. generated.
Larger than max. If true, then random.
If larger than max, then yes. Otherwise, yes.
Then
This one is the crucial part. Initial value must be less than any random number generated. So you can make it -1. Okay.
max. Okay, that's correct. It's
Correct. So you can test it. Okay. And then you stop it. Oh, it
perfect.
worked.
Okay,
Very
now the
nice.
maximum.
Very nice, right?
Yeah. So now the minimum change.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now 970.
Mm-hmm. So now can you calculate the range?
The
Range is,
range.
yeah, range is maximum minus minimum. Huh? Okay,
Yes.
very good. So now can we draw the distribution of this?
The distribution.
Yes. Can you plot the distribution of the data?
Oh,
So you need to create a bin.
bin.
Yes. Remember, to create distribution, the X is actually the bin, right? Binary. The bin. The bin of the, no, sorry, not binary. The bin is meaning the container. How many between that range of value will be put there, isn't it?
Oh yeah, between this one, right?
Yeah, based on that. So you create bin. So how many value you want to put? No, you put it down so that you can see.
Oh yes. Okay. Oh, no.
That is the frequency.
Um.
Frequent. Oh, later. Oh, the bin is down now, so that you can see.
Sorry.
The bin is in B12 and down.
B12.
D12. In your case, D12. Anyway, it's up to you. You want to put there. It's up to you.
This the bin is range divided by.
No, the first bin is the minimum.
Oh, the first bin is minimum.
Yes. Okay, enter. The second bin is the previous bin equal the previous bin.
This is this one.
Yes. Plus that range divided by the number of pin.
I don't know. 7.
Up to you. Be careful. That range must be double dollar, right? Because it will not change. Or you can name it.
Oh yes. Okay. Okay. No.
The E. Okay, and copy. So you check until the maximum. That one is, otherwise below the maximum is down. Delete. You don't need that.
So it's
Okay,
this.
you got that. Very good. You create a bin. So how you go to the frequency? Yes, it's the frequency. Just type frequency equal.
Yes. If random.
No,
If
this time you need to put the whole record. So
the whole record. Oh. Oh yeah. Yeah.
frequency is depending on the whole record. Or you can put if control is empty, it's up to you. Or you can just directly frequency.
Oh yes. Okay.
Frequency. Yeah, there.
Data array.
Data array. Yes,
Bin array.
correct. And remember, frequency is an array. So Then you select the whole things,
Yes. So
shift, yeah, using shift, yeah, and then
Control Shift Enter. Oh wait.
F2 first, F2 edit, yeah, and then control shift enter.
Oh. And then Shift Control Enter, right?
Correct.
Wait, it doesn't work. Wait.
Together. F2,
F2. Shift
shift
Control Enter.
control enter, shift control enter.
Okay, now.
And it worked. Now it worked. Now you get the sum and then you calculate the probability.
Okay, now just get. Do you sum this?
Yes, that's
Oh,
the same. Correct. So now you calculate the probability.
probability of
Frequency divided by the sum. And that one is stopping, so you can press F4 to
Oh yes, okay.
okay, and then copy down. You can
Okay.
format it. You can format it as percentage if you want.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So can you just plot? Insert.
Do we put which one? This one?
Oh, the probability. No need. No need frequency. Just the probability.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Insert. Yeah. Okay.
It would be like this.
Yes. And then you just add at the bottom. The select data.
Oh, right. Wait, where is select data?
They're up there in the menu.
Oh yes, select data.
Yes. What is that? No. Yeah, that one.
This one, right?
Not.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh wait.
Without the label, I guess.
Oh, without the label. Okay. The oh no. The X value should be
The
changing.
horizontal X label, that is the one that you need to put. Horizontal X label, that one. You put in
This
the
one.
bin. Yes, you put in the bin. Okay. Yes. Click OK.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you got it. Very good.
So
finish. So you just simulate now. Excellent. Okay. So I want to see Joy and Livy doing the same. Ayo.
Okay, sir, I'll share my screen.
Yes, go.
I'm still at probability.
Okay.
So probability is frequency divided by range.
Frequency divided, no, not by range, but the sum.
the 20.
Correct. And then you put in E19, you go to a F4. Okay. Then copy. Okay, you can put it percentage if you want. Okay, and then plot, insert column. That up there. No,
Where's my Zoom?
column. The bar chart. No, not spotlight.
This one, right?
I think the column.
Just normal plot, I think.
Just the normal, yeah, that one. Correct. Click. Okay, very good. You did. No, that one, yes. Okay, that chart name is distribution, probability distribution, right? And then you select the data. There, up there, the menu, you can see there is select data. Select data, okay. There in the horizontal edit, horizontal category, that one you edit, and then you change to the bin. Is that, you name it bin already?
Not yet. This one, right?
Yeah, the whole bin. D11 until D18. Yes. Okay, again,
Okay.
you select the data again. And edit the horizontal axis to the bin. Oh no, because you type. Anyway, just select the whole range. Yes. Oh, you did. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Okay. So now you can play pancha, you can play control, you put stop, and then you can run again. Huh? Okay. Livy, I want to see.
Okay, but my minimum formula doesn't work. I don't know why.
Okay, you show so that we can work together. Oh, you did it. Very good. So just make the bin.
The minimum does it is
Minimum E9, yes, correct.
always
The first one is you make it 10,000 so that you know, instead of 100 you make it 10,000.
yeah.
Okay, whatever is okay. Very big number. Okay, that's correct. You can test it. So you put control any, you can type anything, AB in the control cell. Type anything there. Okay. Oh, very good. And then you delete the control. Okay, very good. And when you press one more time, F9, the maximum is to 84, correct? The minimum is 24, correct? Okay, very good. So now the bin. The bin, the first bin is a minimum.
So
Enter. Okay, the second bin is the previous bin plus the range divided by the number of pin. Is up to you. How many pin you want? 10, 7. Okay, 7. You put the, because the range is fixed, then you need to put $sign. Very good. Then you copy down. Below the maximum 84, you delete. No, the 22, you delete. Okay, now you get the pin. So now you get the frequency in E14. Oh, where is that? B. Okay. The bin is incorrect. So not T1, but T14 until T21, isn't it? Only the bin you change that.
this one to this one.
Until, yes, correct. And you highlight. Okay, press F2. Highlight from E14 to 21. So you press your shift key, yes. Press F2 and then Control Shift Enter. Wow, very good. So now just calculate probability. So you get the sum first.
So,
The sum, SUM, yes. Enter. And then now you calculate the probability, which is equal to the frequency divided by the sum. Enter. Okay, you put it down until the end. Okay, no problem. Oops, oops, oops. You did not.
oh yeah,
You did not put in the 22. You need to put $sign, right?
yes.
Very good, very good. So then you just plot. So you highlight the probability, whole things. Yes. Insert, insert, column.
And then let's see.
Very good. Okay. That's name distribution. And then you just change the label at the bottom. So select chart, select data. There up in the select data. Now in the horizontal axis, you edit. Click and you highlight it to the bin, the whole bin. Yes, you click that colorful things there. Okay, very good. Finish. Click OK and OK. Excellent, excellent. Wow, the three of you are really excellent, huh? You can create program already. Wow, super. It's just less than 30 minutes. You did it. Super. Awesome, awesome. Okay, so let's now make a random walk, random walk. Okay, so instead of, now you go to the same thing, yeah? Create a new column in the same sheet, okay? Create a new column, time, make a time, okay? And then after the time, one column is for the time is just 0, 1, 2, 3 until 100 or whatever. Okay, and then the second column you put the random walk. Okay, in the second column you create random walk.
Sorry, sir, what
Random walk, or sometimes they call this what is that? Gaussian noise? No, it's a random walk basically. Random walk is basically the previous value plus noise, okay, plus Gaussian noise. Okay, who will share the screen? I will guide.
Oh, okay.
Anyway. Okay.
So,
okay, in that same step, okay.
yes.
Okay, so you put 0 and then plus 1, right? The next time is the previous value. No, plus previous value plus 1. Plus 1. Okay. And
we just drag it.
okay, very good. Drag it. Okay, and then that is random walk. Let's so first time you need to input, for example, 100. That you put yellow. Okay, 1000 is fine. So the one that you input, you put yellow, okay? And then that one is equal the previous value plus norm inverse. And norm.
Oh, norm inverse. Oh, yes.
No,
by norm inverse or norm inverse?
it's up to you. But let's first time use the norm inverse. NOR.
Oh no. Oh, norm.
Yes, norm inverse, that one. Of random number, so RAND, random. RAN. Yes, RANT, that one. Close it.
Yes, random
And then
and
the
mean.
mean is up to you. You put 0 and 1. Zero mean, and standard deviation
Standard deviation
1.
oh 1. Okay.
Okay.
This
So this is, close it. Okay.
mm, okay.
Okay. That is a random walk. You can plot that if you want.
Oh yes.
Make
This
it until 100 so that you can see. Maybe 20
Oh, yeah.
is too small. The two of them. So you just copy the two of them. The last row.
oh yeah. This one.
Hmm. So you can copy both at the same time. Okay. Very good. And then you plot, okay? The scatter.
And then we just plot.
Yeah, this is just a scatter plot. Time and the random. That's okay.
This one.
Both
Is
A
this
and
scatter plot? Wait.
yeah, A and B.
Oh yeah.
Let's do a scatter plot.
Scatter.
Yes.
Okay.
Very good. Press F9.
This one. Okay.
Oh, with the line is better. Change
With the line.
chart type.
Okay.
The chart type. Just change the chart
Yes.
type. There.
Oh wait, not this one.
It's just the format of the chart. No, a while ago is correct. There, you just select one of them.
Which
Earlier. There, you can select one of them. You have selection of chart.
change chart type. Yes. Line.
No, the XY.
Oh, the XY.
Yes,
Hold
but
on.
with the line, not just dot with the line.
This one, sir.
Yes.
It's not showing.
Oh, it's just a format.
Wait.
Yeah, change chart type.
Change chart type, right? This one.
Okay. To
This one.
XY scatter. XY scatter. Down, XY scatter. Okay, with the line. Okay, line with the, okay, that one. Oh, what happened? Why you have a label? That's the problem of the label only. Delete the label.
Yes. XY scatter.
Yes.
Okay.
There. Now you can press F9, so you're supposed to get very nice. F9 again.
It's just like this.
No, you press F9 again.
Yeah, I've pressed F9. Okay.
There. Right? So this is the, what is this? This is a random walk chart. Okay. And what happened is, this is similar to the, what do you call that? The stock market price.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Okay. So stock market price is basically like random walk. Okay. So now, at the top there, the one that you put random between a while ago, okay, can you replace it with a while ago in the top, right?
Oh, this one.
Yeah, in the top. In the, oh, wait, okay, that one. So that one, can you replace with the X20 or X25 or X50 is up to you. Meaning that that one is equal. You change that. Equal. And then you go down.
Oh.
Or you name it first. Okay, down first. Or if you don't want that. Okay. So
Down first.
x25 and the random at 25. The random walk at 25.
Oh, this one.
Yes, okay, that one. Enter.
That's it.
That's it.
What
Stop.
happened?
You stop and then stop and
Hmm.
then you start again. Huh? Okay.
But it's going to be always like that, right?
It's okay. You can just type. You just press F9.
Yes. Oh, wow. Okay.
Okay. You press F9 and so on.
Hmm.
See, you get what is this? You get
Normal.
normal distribution.
Oh, okay.
Wow. You just prove the what is that? Central limit theorem.
Oh,
You
yeah. That
just
because this one is all normal, right? Normal
Yes,
inverse.
because
So
your original random walk in here is normal, right? Then the distribution is normal. Okay. Now you can change now. Now you can play. Okay. What if I don't put normal, but what if I put different distribution? Will I get back?
can we use like T?
It's up to you.
T.
Okay. Or you can put log normal, for example.
Oh, yes.
Now you can play, okay? Or you can you can change also the what is that called? Instead of 0 and 1, right? You can also change. So now you can experiment, and from here you know what happened. If you have a stock market data, okay, now you can plot the underlying distribution of the stock market data.
Oh, yes.
Oh yes. Now you can see. Okay. So if you change to,
This
for
is
example, Poisson or exponential, okay, you can see the curve is changing according to whatever the underlying distribution that you put there. That's
X
awesome.
mean the cumulative. Wait, what is cumulative?
Poisson is discrete, okay? So your number is, so you need to be inverse, right? It's not normal, it's normal inverse, remember. So the inverse of Poisson distribution is what? Exponential, right?
Oh, yeah. Hmm.
Exponential
Oh,
distribution.
is it exponential or exponential distribution?
Exponential distribution. Okay. The
It's
exponential distribution, now you need to have the mean, the lambda.
we have mean. Oh no, lambda. Like
The lambda is up to you. You can put any value. Say the lambda is 1, for example, or 1.5 or 1.2. And then this is not cumulative, so 0, not cumulative.
yeah.
It's just probability distribution.
And the X we still put random, right?
Yes, of course, the probability must be random.
Okay.
Then you copy down. Okay. And again, you restart the simulation. Okay. And you just delete and
Maybe not enough data.
oh, you can not enough data. You just simply press F9.
Oh, can we?
Number of data does not matter anymore because you keep press F9, you get more data. So if your data 1 million, you can put. Okay, very good. Huh? You did already. Random walk and probability distribution. Super. Okay, Livy and Joy, I want to make sure you can.
Okay. See you next time.
Okay, cool.
Where is my scatter plot? This.
Okay, this is your random walk. Press F9. It's just a scaling. Okay. Because your scaling is between 100 to 140. Oh, what? Can I see the column B, one of the cell in column B? What is the, what is the formula in column B? Oh, you use already exponential.
Yeah. So it just move a bit.
Yes, move because it's
Before was
exponential. You
that.
just move a little bit, right?
Yes.
You can put the exponential of 0.5.
This one.
Yeah, the mean is 0 point or 0.01. It's up to you. Small. One is very big.
Where is,
Where is your chart?
yeah, took some time to read.
Retro.
Yeah, where is it? This one.
Oh, very
Just move a
small.
bit.
Very move.
Yeah.
So normal is better. You can see clearly.
Yeah. Do you want me
It,
to change it into normal?
yes. In fact, the what is that called? Many people say that random walk in real stock market is not normal, but log normal. Okay, log normal. Okay, you can change the mean into 2, for example. That mean with the trend. Yeah?
Into what?
Instead of 0, you can change the mean, or you can put mean as a variable so that you can say another cell. You can type another cell mean and standard deviation. STD, okay, and you put yellow cell there. So first you put 0, okay, and 1, right? And you name it mean and standard deviation.
Oh, yeah, gotta name it.
Okay, and then the norm inverse a while ago, right? Of the random, and then that mean is pointing to that cell. Yes. Okay, now you can change. Okay, that's very small. Uh, you can drag the chart near the mean and the standard deviation so that you can see the impact of
Okay.
your change.
Wait, it's gone. I
What
need
is-
to wait.
Oh.
This one. Nah.
Okay, you put it up. Okay, good. Near the mean so that you can see the impact. There. So now you change the standard deviation to 2, for example. F9.
It got straighter if it's got bigger. If it's one, it's like.
Actually, the problem is actually in the scale of the y-axis. Right? Because it got bigger. So it go directly until 20, until 40, you see. If only one, it will go only very little change. Oh, not a very negative. You will get negative if standard deviation. This means the company bankrupt already.
Yeah, they're in depth.
Yeah. And this is easy. You can get that data. For example, in the stock market, you can get the data, right? That daily. And then you can actually calculate the standard deviation and the mean. And then you can get the distribution, and then you can simulate, get the real things. So is it nice? Something useful?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Livy, can you show your work? Wow, you did it. Yes. Excellent. Super, super. Right? You create random walk, and then I want to see the distribution. That random there, you change to, okay, that one you change to any of the X in random walk. So you delete that, and then you say equal, okay, to one of the down there. Say X25 or X50 or X, not X0. X0 is a constant. So X10 is fine. Okay, X1 is fine. Okay. And you start the you set the control cell to any value, and then you delete to start. Enter, and then you delete to start. Okay, and then keep pressing F9. Okay, you're supposed to get keep pressing until about 100 to 500, the counter. You're supposed to get a normal distribution because the original underlying distribution is normal. Oh, very good. You get a normal distribution. Right? Amazing. So if you use random between, your distribution is supposed to be what? Approaching the uniform distribution. Yeah. But from random walk, you get the normal distribution. So depending on the phenomena that you put as underlying, that is the one that created there in that distribution. Okay? Excellent, right? Super. Wow, the three of you really, very, very good. Okay, so what do we want to do? Okay, you get the maximum, you get the minimum. Let's do something else. Okay, you save this work. Let's do something else, okay? Now let's do something else called animation. Let's do an animation, okay? Okay, I have the slide in this. So you can go to Google Classroom. There is an animation in Excel. This time you will create a program that will animate, okay? Using exactly the same technique. Okay. So if you need the text, this is the one that you just copy and paste. So you copy and paste this, and you can see. So paste it in Google. There, this is the. Let me share my screen. Yeah, this one. This is the text. So you will create something like this. And this is a race. Okay, say this is a horse race or car race, whatever. This is just simple animation. So, of course, you can download the file here if you want. Okay, and oops. So you create something like this. Okay. So initially you just put 0 to 25, and then when you run it, it will run. Okay, I will show you. I will download the file first. Okay, so I open this. Okay, so enable editing. Okay, so it's exactly the same thing, right? And I will stop this. Okay, look, I press F9. There, it will raise. Who will be the first? Oh, that one is first. Okay. So, okay, you have it. But the question is, can you make it on your own from the start? Right? Can you make it on your own on the start? Okay. So first of all, you will create a control cell. You know how to do iteration. You create a simulation clock. Exactly the same. You did it already, so you know already this one. Huh? And then you create what is called agent. So you will create a multi-agent system. Okay. So you create an agent, you create an environment, and then create the output. Okay. Of course, the interaction is the competition in this case. Huh? So how to create the agent in 2D lattice? This is the board, right? From origin to destination, how to make the agent move, right? How to overcome the obstruction. Okay. So this is based on my model in 2006. So I call this pedestrian route choice self-organization. Okay. The idea is this. You have the value, you have the permission. Permission means 0 and 1. Okay. 0 mean not okay, don't move there. 1 mean move. Interaction is between the agent, there is some kind of interaction. And navigation is just a value of floor fill. Okay. So the agent will move based on the navigation, okay, interaction, and permission. So I call this pin model. Okay. So of course you can change that, make it more complicated, like with beta CDF, which is also in Excel anyway, right? So you can read the paper there if you want. Basically, this is simplified version of that. Okay, so one of my friends challenged me, can you really make Excel in Excel, huh, that can make animation of that? Yeah, we can. Okay, we make it. So just put a number 0 to 25. Okay. So say in here we have only one dimensional movement from left to right. Okay, only 5 agents, so I will make 5 here. Okay, all start with agent start position 0, finishing line is position 25. Okay, and the speed is just random. Okay, either stop or move, right? And then we will detect the winner by the rank, who start first. Okay, okay, the algorithm behind. First you initialize, okay, then you create what is called decision to move, right? Of course, this is based on the random number, okay, and then you check, okay, if the current position is already maximum position, which is 25 or not. Okay, if yes, if the current position is less than the maximum position, then current position plus 1, right? And then you generate random number again for the decision to move. If already current position equal to the maximum position or larger, then stop. Okay, so the algorithm is simple. Okay, so here it is. First you create the control, so you put stop there. Okay, when you delete the control cell, it means the race already begun. Okay, so you set the iteration the same as before. Okay, so that you can get the current cell, right? The simulation clock as the usual, you already did that. Okay, and then you create the agent. So how do you create the agent? Is to create the property of the agent. Okay, so there are three properties that you will create. First is the decision to move or to stop, the current position, and the record of the time. Okay, how do you create the decision to move? Okay, very easy. Okay, if less than 0.5, it's up to you. This point 0.5 is a threshold that you can set. Okay. So if the random number is less than 0.5, then 1 mean move. Otherwise 0. So that 0.5 you can put it as speed. Okay. Next, the cell position. This is the heart of the multi-agent system. Okay. So the agent should move to the next position if three conditions. First, the race has been started, mean control is empty, right? Second, the agent is decided to move, that means the earlier is 1, right? Third, it is not the last position. Otherwise, what? The current position remain unchanged, that means me, okay? So if the race has not been started yet, so the position is 0. This is if control is not empty, the position is 0. Initial value. Clear? Oh, this is the one that you put. Say if control is empty, okay, then do this. Okay, if if move is 1 and current position is less than 25, then current position plus 1. Otherwise, current position. If control is not empty, 0. Right? So you create the agent decision to move, current position, and sim clock. Sim clock is the clock. The clock is just it is 0. Okay. Initially, yeah. Otherwise, it's sim clock, right? So then the environment. To create the environment is just number, okay? 0 to 25. Name it position, just text. Okay, and then you create the race field. Now, this is the important part there in the race field. The race field is equal to 1 if the current position equal to that position above. Otherwise, 0. This is just binary. Right? So after that, what you will do is just graphic. Okay. After that, it's just graphic. So it's up to you to make what graphic. So here I use conditional formatting. Okay. Okay, that's it. And then it will move. Okay. So until here first, before we go to the next step. Can you make it?
So, sir, this is pretty much a race game.
It is in Excel.
Oh, yeah,
Without
okay.
programming. Amazing. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So first we need to make the control. Wait.
Yes. First you need to make the control. So make a new sheet, okay? The earlier you close it.
Draw stop.
If you cannot make it, you just download from the website. Anyway, you have the answer. Okay? But I want you to make it so that you can learn. The answer is just there. Yeah.
Sir, what is the sim clock is for?
Just same clock, just the clock. It's just counter. Same clock is just counter. A while ago, you already did that, right? Counter.
Sorry, control you. Yeah, that is pretty much the same.
Yes. So you really master Excel, huh? You did something beyond the normal already, right? With this, you are already expert in Excel. You learn the basic function, finish, huh? You learn all the basic tool like what's that, call seek and data table, finish, right? So now we go to advanced level. Did you learn eigenvalue already?
The basis, yes, actually, yes.
Okay.
But in linear algebra, they don't call it eigenvalue. I don't know, like we
What they
weren't
call
taught
it?
that it's called eigenvalue. Like Miss Indria also asked us about it, and then we first didn't know that bases are eigenvalue.
Yeah, basis are eigenvalue, correct. But
Yeah.
did they teach you how to get the eigenvalue?
Yes.
Yes. Do you know how to calculate eigenvalue in Excel?
Maybe not yet.
Okay, next week. Okay, we use Excel iteration, the same using power method. Okay.
Hmm.
I have it already. So where is my this one? Something like this. Something like this. So can you see it? Right. So you again you use control. This is your matrix input, right? And this is your eigenvalue and eigenvector. And you delete that, and then press F9. Da, 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 da. You get the eigenvalue and eigenvector.
What is initial Z, sir?
Huh?
Oh yes, like from Z.
Okay. So you create a okay, next week. So next week we go into mathematics. Okay, so you will learn Newton method. You will learn eigenvalue. This is more advanced anyway. So I hope this is fun. Today we make games, and I will give you an assignment on the games later. So who teaches the linear algebra?
Mr. Agus, yes. I don't
Oh, not Miss
think you
Indri.
know him. No, Miss Indri teach industrial statistics. Yeah. Miss Indri also teach calculus, but not in our program. She teach calculus in technical industry.
Ah, you don't have calculus in your curriculum?
Oh, we have calculus, but we were taught by Miss Susan and yeah, calculus too. We were taught by Miss Susan, not Miss Indri. Because last year we also get industrial statistics one with Miss Indri, right? So if we have Miss Indri teaching calculus as well, and then we will meet Miss Indri like every day, probably.
That's fine. Susan mean gun, Susan?
Sorry?
Miss Susan mean gun, Susan?
Yes.
Okay, I know. Agus, I do not know. Or probably I know, but I forget. Oh, when you finish, you show me, okay? The animation. Yeah, basically, if you use Excel iteration, you create as if manual program because you still need to press F9, right? So it's a kind of program that you make in Excel without any programming, right? It is actually programming, but you did not feel it as programming. So you know how to
So I
calculate.
can
Yeah, please go.
so this is done.
Okay.
But I haven't made the dots yet. Like, how do we?
It's just what do you call that? Binary. If the position is done,
Yes. This is done.
Okay, can you run the position first so that I will see? So delete the stop
Oh,
and press F9. Oh, it works. Okay, so let's go to the control. You can put stop again.
yes.
Okay, now in B4, right? So then you create a binary there. Okay? If the position in Q, where I'll go, in that position in Q4,
What position?
there in Q4,
Q4. Oh,
yes, is equal to no one.
0.
This is not Python. No, above B3 equal to B3.
Okay.
Okay, then 1.
Oh, so I need to. Yes.
Yes, and then the 3 you put only the 3, not B. Only the 3 you put
Yeah.
dollar.
Okay.
Okay, and 1, otherwise 0.
Otherwise 0. Wait.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. What is the
1 and
1?
0. Yeah.
Otherwise 0.
One.
Okay.
Yes, close. That's it.
Drag it to here.
Drag it to whatever you want.
This
Until
one.
11, yes.
Okay.
Copy also to the right.
To the right.
Yes. Copy until the end. Okay. Okay, good. Copy. Right. So then you can run the simulation. You can remove the stop. Press F9.
Oh wait. F9.
There.
Oh yeah. The one moves. Okay.
The one move, right?
Oh, why is it always together? Wait.
I don't know. Something wrong with your position then.
Oh yeah. Wait. There's some control. Let's go right. Control. If B5.
Okay. The rest is just what is that called?
Yes.
Visualization. Right? You can make it nicer with color, but the algorithm is done.
Sir, why does mine? Okay, so one move alone, but the other four they move together.
Oh, so something wrong with your
Yes.
probably
The
the
same
dollar
as
sign.
mine.
The dollar sign is wrong.
Okay, check.
Must be something wrong with the dollar sign. It's something wrong with the copy or with the name, probably, because you fix it. When you put name, that become fixed.
It should be only Q. That's
Only Q, yeah, not the 4. Okay.
okay. So let's
Start again.
and then set.
Press F9.
Yeah. Now it moves
It
independent.
moved. Okay, very good.
Okay, so now how to make the winner?
Oh, good. That's the algorithm too.
Right.
Go to the slide.
Yes.
Okay.
We can do rank.
So that is the part that you need to know the rank and the clock, right? Check the slide, the next slide. Okay, algorithm 2. That is to know the winner, right? So
Yes.
you need to know the agent clock. The agent clock run that clock, then you can get the winner. Right.
Descending as ascending. Ascending. I think it should be ascending.
1. Yeah.
Wait, oh,
Oh, the dollar sign again.
okay.
Okay.
Oh, wait, there is 3. Oh, because it's not done yet. Okay, so F9.
You need to restart the simulation
Yes,
by the
that's,
control key.
now we have it. Wait, stop. It's all 1 first, and then we do F9.
When it
Wait,
reaches the end.
this one is leading ahead, right? So it should be 1. Okay, that one 1.
Okay.
Okay, so there are
Correct?
2 second places. This reader, yes. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Now, you know, with this, you can create a new idea. Nah? For example, how about if you add the speed, right? And then how if you want to put the interaction between the agent? This is only no interaction, right?
Yes, no
Oh,
interaction.
this is fun. Right? Okay. How to make the interaction between the agent? That actually the assignment, huh? Yeah. So you already did the basic movement and the performance, right? Okay. So I show that in the screen. Can I stop your screen sharing? Yeah.
Yes.
So okay. So a while ago you use this agent clock and then the rank based on agent clock to get the performance, right? Okay. This is the last record of the time race, right? And then based on that, you can create a ranking of the winner. You did already, Ancha. I hope the others also. Okay. And then you can animate. And look, you have already the basic movement and the performance, correct? So, of course, you can do exactly the same in Python, right? Right. So, Excel is useful to create a prototype, you know. So you can continue this in Python and or you can continue this in Excel. It's up to you. So why this is nice to be a prototype, because using this practically you are learning what algorithm is working, what algorithm is not working, isn't it? Very fast. Okay? You can test your own algorithm. Now this is your assignment. Huh? Okay. So the assignment is just create the effort, okay, and speed. Okay. So you create the effort and speed. So the decision to move now is now depending on the effort. And the effort is based on the interaction with other agent position, right? So meaning if I'm what if I'm lag behind, okay, I will check myself, right? The agent will know about their own position, and then if I'm lag behind, I will put more effort. So this is the effort I put there example. Okay, of course it's up to you to create because this is game. So the algorithm, the technique to create the effort is up to you. This is just one of the example. Okay. So if you can do this now, you can do it, and then you just submit. If not, you will make this as assignment. Huh? So you create with this assignment, you basically create the whole pin model, right? Where you have the oh, not yet. The permission is not yet. The interaction and navigation, right? You already did. The permission is very simple. Okay, you can create a wall. you can create wall, meaning that 0 and 1. Something like this. You can create something like this. So this is a kind of wall, right? Can you see it? The yellow part is the one that actually you can move. Okay? And in this example, I'm not going to teach you this, but in this example, I use 2 control cells instead of 1. Why? Because I need to look 2 times. Okay. So in the initial cell, if I delete this, okay, I will create what is called a navigation matrix. So, okay. And now if I delete the second cell, okay, let me show you. Now you can see the agent will move, and then it will pass through the window to the door, and it will reach the destination. So the agent basically will find its own path.
But the wall is permanent. It does
Wall is permanent, of course, right? The wall is permanent.
But wait, so which one is the agent?
Oh, the agent is the one that colored a while ago. So I removed again. So A. So I delete this. When I delete the first one, I will create the navigation matrix. Okay. And when I delete the second one, so this is the agent will start to move. Can you see it? Yeah. The one in color, what is this color? Red color or brown color, that is the agent. So in this case, because this is mesoscopic model, so meaning in one cell we'll have how many agents? For example, there is in cell 17 and 4, there is 10 agent there that will move. So the same as earlier, this is just to give you idea only. Similar to earlier, now I have only one agent instead of many. Okay, so here I have only one control cell. But in here, I have permission matrix. Can you see this? So this is the permission matrix, and this is the navigation matrix. Navigation matrix is very simple, you see. Just a number that is ascending. So this is what I call as SPV, sync propagation value, meaning either ascending or descending. So I put 61 until 100. Can you see it? So it is ascending, right? And then because this is only one agent, so no interaction. I just want this agent to move so that when there is a wall, it will move passing out of the wall. Okay, let's do that. So in here, because of the navigation matrix is so simple, you know what will happen to the agent. See, go to up there, and go down. Oh, it can move. Yeah, the agent can move up and down, right? But what will happen if, okay, if I make it 0 here? Okay, so I start again. Okay, and I delete this, and I start again. It will go up. Oh, the agent is stuck there, cannot. You see? Yeah. If the wall is a little bit longer, the agent is stupid. Right? Cannot go. Because the decision of the agent is local. Right? So to make the agent smarter, so we create different type of navigation matrix. Okay. So in this case, look at the, now I create a two type of control. Okay. One is for the navigation matrix. The second one is for the simulation. Okay. So initially, the navigation matrix is just based on the permission matrix. So initially I put 50 and permission is 100. If it is a wall, I put this 100. Okay. And what happened if I delete this? Check the navigation matrix here. Check the value. Okay. I will show you. So I will animate. So it will become a navigation matrix. So I create a floor field. Until it's stable. Can you see that? So when it is stable already, okay, then the agent will move very smart. Okay, so you look at the simulation board. Okay, the agent can even passing through the maze. Wow, isn't it? See? Oh, it will go directly and then can go up and down. And looking, the agent can look for the what is that called? The shortest route automatically. Again, this is all using Excel. So can you make it? Okay. as long as you can create an increasing, okay, as long as you can create an increasing value or a decreasing value, then the agent can navigate. The meaning of navigation matrix is just a floor field. On the floor, okay, there's a field. That field is either increasing or decreasing value. That's the idea. So anyone want to share the screen? If you have difficulty, we can discuss.
Sir, I want to ask.
Go. Current position, why false? If less than
25.
what is AF5? AF5 is itself. It's interesting why it is false. The current position. There. The current position is and if move is 1, if move is 1, then and if current position AF5 is less than 25, oh, you need to close that. Look at this. I will show you the screen. Can you see there is a closing here? There is a closing parenthesis after the end.
Oh.
Okay, that is the part that you are missing, I guess. Okay, can you share again?
Okay. So here, right?
Yes. Okay, that is correct. Okay. Press enter. Okay. And then copy down. Right.
Tahu pinter ya. Celana aku kena mes buang ya, Gloria. Aku sudah bilang. Hah?
Okay, so you go to the control cell. Where is your control cell? Okay, you put anything there, A, B, C, or A, and then you delete. Oh, you did not put the Excel iteration yet. So go to File, Option, Formulas, Enable Iterative Calculation.
Oh, so every time we want to make.
Yeah, that is to start the Excel iteration is to enable iteration.
Okay.
Right? And then what happened? Why did that one have a
Wait. The current position.
oh, why the current position is now
Control is.
where is if move?
What?
Can you change is move become AE5?
AE5?
Yes. Enter. Okay, and then oh, it works. It works, right?
So
Animate.
how to
Oh, you select that. You select the race field
all of them
and then conditional formatting,
conditional formatting?
icon set is up to you. Shape, for example. Okay, there.
It's only 3.
Okay, again the control cell.
Oh, wait, huh? Wait. This one. Okay.
No, it moved.
Something wrong with this one, like, why is that? No, it's correct.
If AF 6 without the dollar sign, that is the problem.
Oh, so all of
Only AF is the dollar sign, but no, or AF with dollar sign, the 6 without dollar sign. Okay. So can you start with C5? Can you go to C5?
5, yeah.
Yes, and then you remove the dollar sign for the 5. And then that is correct. Then copy to all. Copy that C5 to all the race field. Yes. Okay. Good. Now you control, you restart the control. Enter. Oh, that's correct. And then you delete and press F9. Oh, it worked. Yay. You see it racing. Oh, you get the winner.
4, 5. Okay.
Super. Very good. You get the winner also. Very good. Right? You did it. Okay. So now you improve with the interaction. Okay.
Sir, can I show you the
Sure,
effort?
sure, sure. Please.
So,
Very good.
wait, this one. So, what I did is like we have the decision to move, right? And
Right.
it only moves if the random is originally if the random is smaller than 0.5. But
Okay.
here I changed to if smaller than the effort. So if
Okay.
for example, if they are lagging behind, then
Mm-hmm.
it will move if the random is smaller than 0.8. If
Mm-hmm.
they are number 1, it will move only if the random is smaller than 0.3.
Mm-hmm.
If they are in between, like 2 and 3 position, they will move if the random is smaller than 0.5.
Mm-hmm.
So what I do is using the position.
Mm-hmm.
So if rank this one from this one is larger than 3,
Mm-hmm.
then it will 0.8. So they will move more often.
Okay. Why
And
larger than 3?
if the position is larger than 3,
Oh,
if
oh,
they are
oh.
lagging behind,
Okay, okay.
yes, right? So if they are in position 4 and 5,
Mm.
and then if they are not in 4 and 5,
Mm-hmm.
if the position is they are number 1, if they are leading, then
Mm-hmm.
the effort will be only 0.3. So
Okay.
they will move only if the random is smaller than 0.3, which is
Mm-hmm.
smaller. The chance is smaller, right?
Mm-hmm.
And
Otherwise,
if
0.5.
in between, yeah, if they are 3 and in position 2 and 3, they will move only at 0.5.
Okay.
So
Let's
we will,
try.
yes, stop.
Right. And
And then
move.
I think I will, yeah, okay. Can you see it still?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay, this one, right? So we can,
If you want, you can visualize it with the, for example, icon set so that easier to see.
yeah. Oh, wait. So we can see that this one is leading, right?
Right.
So because of that, the effort is 0.3 only.
Okay.
And
And
it's
the one that
only
lag behind is 0.8, right?
behind is this one, right? This
Right.
one. So it gets 8.
Correct.
Otherwise, it will get 0.5.
0.5.
And then we just
Okay.
keep doing that.
So now the result is unpredictable.
Now this
Yeah.
one is leading. Yes.
Okay.
Now this one is leading. It will 0.3, and this one is lagging behind.
Okay.
So we'll just do it.
And that, so the effort will change depending on their position, right? And that position is an interaction, right? Yeah. Very good. Very good. Excellent. So only for you. This is not. This is the one that you will submit it for your assignment. Okay. This is optional. A challenge only. Okay. The challenge only is now you add permission and navigation.
Yes. Okay.
It's not in the curriculum. This is too advanced, but it's for your own challenge. Okay. Because it's fun, isn't it?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Livy, Joy, how is it? Everything okay? So Livy already did until performance, right? Very good. So the next step is to create the interaction. Okay, this is for your assignment. But if you want to do it today, you do it now. Okay. How is it, Joy?
I'm having trouble with the rank. I don't know why it won't move.
Oh.
Wait, I'll share my screen.
Okay, sure. The rank.
It will stay like this, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The rank supposed to be the rank of that clock, right? AG. Okay. And then the whole things that is from, yes, AG5. This is 4 to 8. Yes, okay. And then 1, yeah. Okay, so supposed to be okay. The rank is okay.
At first, I think the clock is wrong, but then I think it's okay. So the last position,
So
the same clock.
maybe you restart again. Can you
itself.
restart? Can you restart? Restart the control cell. Just put A, then delete. Now when you put A in control cell, supposed to be in position 0, right? Yes, okay. And then when you delete the control cell.
It like
Oh, what happened is delete the control cell. Okay. And keep pressing F9. The rank is, initially the rank is already 5. That's strange.
yeah, that's why the rank won't move.
Okay. When it reaches 25, what will happen?
I think it resets. It goes back. What? Oh no. Oh, it's gone.
Polar strings. I think there is some problem there.
Yeah, it's very difficult for this to get here. It just stays here. Maybe I copied something wrong.
The rank should be the rank of current clock, and then compared to all clock, and then
Yeah.
1. Is that correct?
Yes. Current clock or clock 1.
Yes. And then how about the clock? What is the meaning
Last
in the clock?
position.
The
Last
clock is
position.
last position, same clock
Uh,
itself,
and the clock is.
and then the current clock itself, right?
Yes.
G4. Okay. Oh, okay. Let me suggest you do this. This is also a problem in Excel sometimes. Huh? Can you move, because your position of the and it's not the same, right?
Yeah, by 1. Yes.
Yes, by 1. So can you move it down?
Do I copy or?
Just Control X, Control V.
I will need to change everything.
Oh, why? Earlier. Control Z, come back again. You don't need to change anything yet, actually. You're supposed to move everything by just one cell. It will not move. It will not change.
So I click Control X and Control V.
Yes. Control X, and then you move one cell down in AE5, and then Control V there. Oh, what happened?
I think it shifted. It's okay. I can try to change everything one by one later.
Oh.
But is it supposed to work?
It's supposed to work. There is possibility. Yeah, that is one of the possibilities. Because they are not in the inline, and Excel, the way we are thinking of parallel processing, right? But in reality, Excel is not doing parallel. That is possibility of the problem. Yeah.
What happened with this one?
Current position. Oh, which one is current position there?
Oh, because yeah, this one.
Maybe okay. That current position should change.
Yeah. Okay.
It's
Okay.
not variable. It's not variable.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I think that is the problem. Okay, thank you for today. Okay, I'll give you assignment, the one that in the slide, just to add interaction with the effort. Anyway, the two of you, or at least already did. So can you make it? If you did it, just submit. Okay. Okay. So thank you for today.
Okay, thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
See you.
Next week.
I hope you enjoy.